If you're selling your home, enhance curb appeal with cleaning, landscaping, and fresh paint for strong first impressions. Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean to make rooms look larger and more appealing. Make repairs, stage with neutral decor, and price competitively using local comparisons. Market with quality photos, online listings, and open houses. Work with an experienced agent. Review all offers carefully, considering contingencies and buyer flexibility, not just price.